The EHA02 Endoscope drying and storage hanger is designed with flexibility and efficiency in mind, accommodating up to 2 endoscopes across a wide variety of types and brands such as Olympus, Pentax, and Fugi. The system improves reprocessing workflows while ensuring security and hygiene of the highest standards. All surfaces of the EHA02 are designed for optimal cleaning and maintenance activities to help maintain the environment of your valuable endoscopes. The EHA02 endoscope storage hanger is designed for use as a wall-mount endoscope storage hanger and is also perfect for installation and use in an endoscope storage cabinet. The EHA02 endoscope drying and storage hanger is easily installed and is extremely durable against cleaning and usage for many years. Additionally, the EHA02 endoscope storage hanger meets and/or exceeds current endoscope storage cabinet guidelines. You can purchase an EHA02 endoscope drying and storage hanger online by visiting galenismedical.com.